everyone, and welcome to TaiyangNews. This is Anupam Bani, the senior editor at TaiyangNews, and today we are at Renewable Energy India Expo 2024 in Greater Noida, India, and we are at the booth of Mondragon Assembly, and we have Javier Otano to tell us more about the company.
Thank you. So we are Mondragon Assembly. We are a Spanish company, and we are specialized in manufacturing equipment for manufacturing solar modules. So we do turnkey lines, and we do also the standalone equipment for the lines. So here in India, we are showing our latest equipment for the manufacturing of modules. So it's equipment ready for TOPCon technology, and we have here on this wall the stringers wheel we are doing in-house with our MTS 3000 able to do up to 22 bus bar. We have the automatic layup. We have laminators that could be membraneless or membrane laminators. We are also showing our auto busing machines. These are the key equipment that is needed to build a complete turnkey lines that we are proposing to our Indian customers. So that's what we are showing here in the REI. You are more than welcome to come. Thank you.